guys, I'm back. I'm here to talk to you guys more about consistency. That is our theme in this page. What I wanted to talk about right now was consistency with consequences. So consequences, this is a big word. Consequences is known to be a very negative word where we should be putting a spin on that. Consequence actually means to teach. So if you look up the word consequence, we want to teach kids what they're doing, how to fix it, or how to do it differently. So there are two different types of consequences. There are logical consequences and natural consequences. Consequences where they are natural is when nature provides that consequence. For example, it is really cold outside and you want your 3-year-old to put on a jacket. But they say, no, Mom, I am not putting on a jacket. I'm going to go outside. And you say, okay, but remember, it's cold outside. This is just an example. You may or may not want your kid to go outside if there's snow. But if it's raining and it's a little bit chill, you can let them walk outside. So they walk outside. They start freezing. Oh, this is cold. And you say, oh, it seems like it's cold outside. What should we do? Maybe I need a jacket. Oh, that's a good idea. Let's go get our jacket. So nature, Mother Nature, just said, hey, it's cold outside. You need a jacket. That's that natural consequence. You didn't wear enough clothes when you went outside. So you're going to be cold. Consequence is cold. We're going to teach them next time it's cold outside, your child's going to say, maybe I need a jacket as soon as they step foot outside because they don't want to be so cold. That's an example of a natural consequence. Another natural consequence could be if they're going outside and you have a rocky backyard, and you say, you should put your shoes on. There's a lot of rocks out there. It's going to hurt your feet. And your child says, no, I don't want to put my shoes on. They scream and cry. And you say, okay, but your feet are going to hurt. They walk outside. They start stepping on hot rocks. And they say, oh, it's so hot. Or, oh my gosh, my feet are so, it's so pokey and hard. And I say to them, as a parent, well, what should we do? And I said, maybe I need my shoes. So there you go again. Outside the natural world taught your child when it's hot on the concrete or there's rocks out there, they need to put their shoes on. So next time, they're going to put their shoes on. Okay, so that's a natural consequence. The other thing I want to talk about is a logical consequence. Logical consequences are when you come up with a after event that corresponds with your child's behavior. So, a logical consequence is different just from any consequence because this consequence pertains strictly to what your child is doing. If your child is bouncing the ball in the house and you say, stop bouncing the ball in the house, you're going to break something. And then your consequence is no iPad for the rest of the day. Well, there is nothing that corresponds or correlates from the iPad to the ball. That makes no logical sense whatsoever. Instead, it's if you are going to not stop bouncing the ball in the house, I'm going to take the ball away overnight, and you can try again tomorrow. That is a logical consequence. All of a sudden, you took the ball, which was what your child was doing with the ball, away from them. Not the iPad that's somewhere else in another room that they're not playing with right now. Right now, it is that hot object or that hot item. They're going to be upset about it, yes. But next time they get the ball back, they're going to know if I bounce the ball in the house like Mom doesn't want me to, she's not going to let me play with it. So that's the consistency we want to see with a logical consequence. We want to be consistent. Every time your child bounces the ball in the house, and you don't want them to, you take the ball away and say, we only bounce the ball outside. Tomorrow you can try again. Or you are, throwing the trains across the room. We don't throw trains in the house. Next time, we can try again, but I'm not going to let you play with the trains today. That directly correlates with the trains. So I hope that helps with consequences. I know that's a hot topic, but we want to teach kids what to do instead. If we can teach them what to do instead, have a logical consequence that goes along with the behavior, then they will quickly understand what to do next time and hopefully prevent some of those actions or behaviors you don't want to happen in the future. So I hope that helps, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.